Hey everyone! Today we're going to build a simple AI application that lets you chat with images using Streamlit and one of the Llama vision models. This app allows us to upload images and have interactive conversations about them. Let's dive into how it works. Our application combines several key technologies: Streamlit for the web interface, Llama 3.2 vision model with 90 billion parameters for image understanding, and IBM's watsonx.ai platform. Let's take a look at the code and understand how they work together. On the top, I have two helper functions. The first function converts the user uploaded images into base 64 format, which is required for sending images to the Llama model hosted by watsonx. And the second function will get access token with an IBM Cloud API key, which we securely store using Streamlit's secrets management system. The main function is the core of the Streamlit application. In this application, we are using Streamlit session state to persist data between each reruns. Messages will be where we store the chat history, and uploaded file will keep track of whether an image has been uploaded in the current session. For the current implementation, the model will accept one image at a time. Then, we create an image upload widget. When an image is uploaded, we will open it and display it in the chat interface. And here is where we call the helper function and convert the image to base 64 for API transmission. And this line here, we added this image to the message history. Notice that we are formatting the image message according to the API requirements. The role is user, and the content field is a list with image URL as type, and the value of image URL is the base 64 encoded image. And here we are iterating through all messages, except the first one, which is the message containing the image, and displays each message in the appropriate chat bubble. Here, we are accepting users' text input, processing the text input into the required format with role and content, add to the chat history, and display the input as user message in the UI. And I applied additional processing here to make sure all the latest text chat history are combined with the only one image in the session. Here we prepare the API request with the latest messages, including the image data along with the model configurations. Notice that we are using the Llama 3.290B Vision Instruct model here, which is one of the latest state-of-art multimodal model, Meta released for high-quality image understanding and natural conversation. Finally, we send the post request to the hosted model endpoint, process the response, add it to the chat history, and displays it in the chat interface. And there you have it. We've built a simple AI chat application that can discuss images intelligently. The complete code is available in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI development tutorials.